Namaste, friends. I am Gaurav Pawar. Welcome to the channel HJP Education Hub, educational YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe this channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Today's topic is what is the difference between a scholar and a common person. There are four parts of this section. In today's first part, I am going to tell you the difference between the scholar's study method and a common person's study method. First, we are understood what is a scholar. Scholar is a person specialist in any branch of study, and a common is an average guy in any branch, in any study, in any circle. So going to on the topic, let's go. What is the difference between a scholar person study method and a common person study method? First topic is learning. Includes two points. A point is while learning, and second B part is after learning. Learning is the first part of this section. When scholar learn anything, he has strong focus, and like the scholar, common also have focus or strong focus. But main thing is after the learning, scholar creates more focus, and common person less focused. Why common become less focused after the learning any topic? Because it's the habit of a common person. Actually, when he learns something, he think I have learned this, and he is going on other topic. So his focus is created on new topic. Why he becomes less focused on learn syllabus, learn topic? Because he is not waiting on that topic, he is going on next new topic, and thus his focus is transferred on new topic. But in scholar's mentality, scholar while learning and after learning he is more focused, so he became specialist in that topic. This is the first point. And second topic is how their learning process. A scholar's learning process scholar's learning process is repetition process. Repetition is the process of a scholar person. Repetition is the process of a scholar person, and revision is the process of common person. What is the difference between a revision and repetition? Repetition is the thing when you learn the topic and repeat the topic again and again, and revision is the process when you learn, then go on next topic, learn, and then revise. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. Learn, learn and revise. Repetition is learn, repeat, learn, repeat. Actually, on learning, scholars spend 20% focus on learning, and on repetition 80 to 90% focus. On repetition 80 to 90% focus. And common student on learning new topic, learning 80 to 90% focus, and repetition revision, not repetition, revision 10 to 20%. So this is the both 2 points are there. First, while learning and after learning, scholar focused and more focused, and common focus, and then after the learning less focus or no focus, because his focus is going on next topic, new topic, on new topic. And process of the scholar is repetition is the process of scholar and revision is the process of common. What is the repetition? Repetition is the learn, then repetition, learn, then repetition. What is the revision? Learn, then go on next topic, then learn, and then revision. So these are the points, 2 points mainly, which differentiate the 2 person, common and scholar. In next topic, we are going to the brain structure of a scholar and a common person. So thank you for seeing this video. If you like this video, please like and share. If you don't have yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.